hole and a USB-C connector. On the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. Please note that the storage is not expandable, this is just for a SIM card. On the top we have a headphone jack and a microphone hole. Over at the back you can see we now have a 13 megapixel camera which is a 3, big aperture, which should be used better photos, and also the LT band here if you have the LT version. This is a matte finish. It is a metal chassis, so it does feel really nice. It feels comfortable to hold. It feels plastically. It feels really solid. So overall, the build quality is so let's turn it on and then see what it's like to use. So while it's turning on, I'll let you know that it does come in two different colours. It comes in this matte black, and it also comes in a pink, a rose gold sort of finish. Both are nice, but I do have a black front, a black back. Just really sleek. Looks like a piece of slate, and it feels really comfortable to hold. Here we go, so we turn it on. You'll notice straight away that there are curved edges into the four corners of the screen. Nice little touch. You definitely notice less bubbles. They're just smaller. And the press at the side of the screen to the body for such a cheap device. We've done a really good job here. Straight away you notice the screen is nice and bright. Standard MIUI interface here. It's plenty bright enough. It's bright in here, but it's not a problem, even though it is on full brightness. Flip into the settings, we can have a look at what the different specs are here. So you notice it's running a Snapdragon 660 CPU, it's running at 2.2 GHz. It has a 6000 mAh battery, and the screen is 1 inch, and this is running at 1080p resolution, 3 GB of RAM, and this one has 32 GB of storage. It's running MIUI 9.6, not currently available. It's expected that this will get MIUI 10 when it becomes available. On the settings here, you can choose full screen mode or buttons at the bottom. So here I personally prefer the full screen gestures. I like the Xiaomi gestures, simple to use, so I can upgrade up the already open apps. Swipe and fully up goes up to the home screen. Like I said, it is running on full brightness at the moment because it is bright in here. It should be plenty bright enough. In direct sunlight, I don't know what this should be like, but people don't use their tablets in direct sunlight. Let's check the viewing angles to see what these are like. So we look around here, test here, we can see the viewing angles aren't too bad for the LCD screen. Hard to see the reflection. It is a very reflective glass coating on the top, so there's no anti-reflective here. But overall, the viewing angles are good, the colours are nice and clear. I've noticed from using it. Let's take a quick look at the camera now. Now this is a 13 megapixel camera. There are no extra settings, nothing like portrait mode that are built in. It's just a standard camera. Overall, I think it performs very well. Just a single camera setup. We go in, we zoom in. It's plenty clear enough. Not bad for a tablet. And a single camera setup. Yeah, overall the cameras are perfectly decent. On the front we do have a 5 megapixel front facing camera also built in on there. Now it does have multitasking built into this version of MIUI. So you notice if you split screen and you can drag items in here and then open them up side by side. And this is where you notice the Snapdragon 660 chip working really well. It doesn't feel like it's laggy at all. It's very quick, very responsive if you quickly swap between the two sides. So yeah, overall the multitasking works very well. I'm eager to try this with different PDFs and maybe videos to see how this performs, but on first impression this is very good. One thing I have noticed, if you go back to the home screen, then if you try and bring back split screen by using this bar here, it could be the software's a little buggy, it does struggle to bring it back. I have to put it back into portrait mode to be able to see this bar to select it and then to go back into split screen mode. But you can see the split screen does work in portrait mode and in landscape mode. It does work very well. So my first impression with the Mi Pad 4 that it is a big improvement over the Mi Pad 3. It feels very snappy. I like that they've used the Snapdragon 660 chip. It feels plenty fast enough. The screen is a nice layout, a nice ratio with 16:10. It comes in 3 different storage capacities, a 3 with 32, a 4 with